Loops are another thing that we're going to talk about that programmers can use to make their code simpler and more concise. And they do so by implementing a process called iteration. So what is iteration? Loops work like this. The first step is that the programmer sets some goal that the code will need to get to and writes some code inside the loop that will repeat over and over until the goal is reached. Finally, when the program is run, this code executes until the goal is reached, and voila, the programmer has managed to take something and transform it into what they want. If you wanted to simplify looping down to its very core, you could visualize a loop itself. You start at some point, and then you go in a loop, and the code does things throughout this loop, and then you rinse and repeat until you've gotten to your goal. You'll actually be seeing loops and getting some practice with the concept of iteration and looping by making objects follow commands to get places, and you'll quickly see what I'm talking about when I say how awesome looping is. Let's take a look at a simple but quick example. In this example, let's move this back. In this example, we want to move this to the objective marker. And how do we do that? Well, I could use 1, 2, 3, 4. I can use 4 move forward blocks, or I can use a loop. And what this does is that I can repeat this action until I reach my goal. So I'm going to move forward until I reach my goal. Let's see what happens. Great. It moved forward until we reached our goal. And this is what a loop looks like in real code. But hopefully that was a quick example that demonstrated the idea of a loop very simply.